You look like a rapper.
Oh, yeah. Ramesh, Ramesh, DJ Ramesh.
DJ Ramesh is
Yeah.
back, huh?
Hello, hello,
Welcome back,
hello.
people. Happy New Year to everyone.
Happy New Year! Yeah, 2026.
I hope
You're
you
one more year older now. How does it
Yes,
feel? A bit more wrinkly, bit more back pain.
bit more soreness,
Mm-hmm.
bit
Do you
more
like it?
brain fog. But yeah, I hope you had a good 2025. Or even
Yeah.
if you didn't, it's okay. Just watch our videos, laugh a bit, live a little, I
Full
guess.
promotion कर रही है.
Obviously. Anyway, did you have a good festive season?
Yeah, it was really good. I was in
Yeah.
London with my friends. I don't remember half of the things, so I think it was good.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's
How was
that's a good
yours?
sign.
Yeah, that is a good sign. How was yours?
Mine was good. Mine was really cozy. My friend came to visit me from London, and we went around the Lake District a little bit, and just like chilling at home, not doing much.
Total
Just the vibe.
opposite of what I did.
Yeah, for sure. And I was like, I know 2026 is going to need my energy because I have so many resolutions and so many goals in 2026. So I was like, let me chill a little.
Do you think resolutions on New Year's work?
I think you should start working on your New Year's resolution a quarter before.
Yes.
Like in October, November, start prepping for the resolutions that you have in
Mhm.
2026.
Yeah.
I mean, I guess it's too late now that you're watching this video, but
Yeah, well, you can start anytime.
yeah.
I mean, for me, it's never like resolution, but it's like when you feel it's the right time for you.
Hmm.
And as New Year comes in, everybody's like in full energy and everybody else is doing something new and everybody has that, that hype in them.
Jazba.
So, yeah, just bahut junoon hai sab mein. So, you're like, yeah, why not?
Yeah.
So, I think that's why you'd want to start something
Yeah.
as well.
That's the only time your friends are like, oh, let's go
Oh, let's do
gymming,
something.
let's not
Literally.
drink as much, let's start losing weight. So, might as well start a team effort. To
One
do
of my
something.
friends have told me like 1 month ago that I will go gym in 2026. मैं बोला अरे अभी से शुरू कर. बोलता नहीं 2026. मैं बोला ये नहीं टिकेगा.
ये नहीं होने
ये
वाला है.
ये नहीं टिकेगा. You
Yeah.
you know ना कि ये जो वेट कर रहे हैं कि आज से नहीं 10 दिन बाद उनका कुछ नहीं हो सकता.
I feel bad for people whose birthdays fall in January because all of their friends are like, ek to they don't have money, they don't want to drink outside, they don't want to eat a lot of junk, so their birthday becomes a bit dry.
I mean, I would be okay because like I don't really want to do
All of those things.
drinking. I don't really want to go out and have junk food
Yeah.
and doing a lot of things like that. I would probably want to go like in a park or like
Aw, cute.
doing more like activities
Yeah.
like the mountain climbing and
Mm.
all those things like indoor ones. Like,
Yeah.
I would want to do very adventurous activities on my birthday
Anyway.
instead of just drinking and being on the street.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, your birthday falls in the first quarter of
Yeah.
the year. So
Yeah.
yeah, it's a pretty good thing to do. But did
Yeah.
you have any resolutions in 2025 and did
I
you
did.
complete any
No.
of them?
No, I did quite a lot of things actually. I had quite a lot of resolutions for my career and where
What's
I
your
want.
resolution number one?
What was my resolution
Yeah.
number one? One was to find a placement before
Okay.
a deadline, which I did.
Job placement.
Yeah, job. That was done. The another one was being in a better mental state because last year was really fucked up.
Yeah.
Which I am now. So I'm very happy about that. Completed. The
Yeah.
third one was to actually gain more muscles, but I got more fat.
Yeah.
But I also couldn't do it because I have quite a lot of health problems. So I couldn't
Yeah.
achieve that.
But you're
But
trying
yeah.
your best. I
Yeah.
think you've increased your protein intake, which was
Yeah.
one step closer.
I mean, now I feel like I
to
have
that
more
goal.
muscles than I have more muscles than fat.
Yeah.
But like I look very bulky, so it's just different. I mean, I like it, but sometimes clothes don't like it. So
It's struggling.
yeah, they're struggling. But yeah, what about you?
I think my goal was a bit similar to yours, was to get a nice job in a similar headspace where I didn't know what was going to happen with my visa next. So I wanted a nice job and obviously score a good visa. But I was like, that is a sort of Bhagwan Barose. Like, if the universe wants it to happen, it'll happen. But on my part, I think I wanted a bit more peace. I wanted a bit more stability. I wanted to make a life with my fiance.
Oh.
And I think I did all of those things this year, like at least in the second half of the year. Took the first half of the year's struggle to all of that to happen in the second half,
Mm,
I would say.
nice. You wanted peace. Why am I in your life?
Fair enough, actually. I don't know. You want a little
Yeah.
bit. She thought I'll not say that.
What are you planning for 2026?
So 2026 for me is a lot more about health, and that's why I started working on it one quarter before. In October or something, I took a gym membership, and I've been like going to a lot of classes and doing a lot more activities. That being said, I'd love to do a lot more outdoor activities as well, like how you said, maybe go on hiking or
Yeah.
walks, just explore a little bit more. I think that's my primary goal, is to focus on my health, I would say.
Nice. Very nice. I love how, I don't know, our plans are now,
Yeah.
focusing on our health and probably thinking about making more money and
Yeah.
traveling. Like, these are the
Yeah,
priorities
as
now.
boring as it sounds, this is who we are now.
Yeah,
And
this is so adult. This is so adult
Young
resolution,
adults.
right?
क्या करे, economy ऐसी है कि we can't have like reckless plans. But
Yeah,
I
literally.
remember like last year, sometime in June, I saw this reel that why do we force ourselves to have serious resolutions all the time? Like you should have few
Fun
resolutions, yeah, that are fun also. So my last year's fun resolution was to actually watch a lot of movies,
That's
because I've not grown up watching a lot of movies, and I feel like watching movies is a luxury because the amount of time you have to spend, and if you're going to a theater, the money you have to spend, and it's a whole like you have to block out time for it if you have to
Yeah.
watch a movie. And I
Yeah.
don't want to watch it in parts. I want to watch it fully. Don't look at my phone. So I never used to watch movies, and I decided I have to watch movies. So every month at least I was watching one movie, and I think I watched at least 25 movies last year.
That is a fun resolution.
Yeah.
I think everybody should have a fun resolution.
Yeah, did you have?
That will not really. That will actually help you with your serious
Yeah.
resolutions.
Yeah, it will motivate you
Yeah.
for your
If in case you haven't watched our episode.
yeah on motivation. Why
No,
you need
I actually didn't have any fun resolutions, but I just do fun things because I'm a very
Anyway,
fun person.
So you don't need
So
that.
I don't need a fun
I'm a boring
resolution.
person, like that's
Yeah,
why I
she
need
needs
fun
fun.
resolutions.
So yeah, I've don't no fun resolution, but take serious ones and try to, I don't know, somehow it also turns into fun. So
My fun resolution for 2026 is I'm not going to say traveling and all because that's pretty serious resolution. You need money for that and everything. My fun resolution for 2026 is taking more naps.
oh man, I love afternoon naps.
I love naps, but I struggle with them a lot. Like I can't put myself to
I can't tell you.
rest because I'm like, oh, I could be editing something, or I could be
You're
working
so
on my
right.
finances, or I could be doing something else. Why nap? But then I've realized, like lately, because my health was like draining a bit, and because of exercise and stuff, you need more recovery periods.
Bro, you're so true.
I automatically have been falling into naps, and the moment I wake up, I'm like this new person with a new energy, and I'm like, even this 30-minute nap might feel like you're not making the best use of time, but after you're up, you are actually like double the productivity.
Yeah, you're right.
So I want
Yeah.
that.
I used to take a lot of naps. I used to sleep for like, when I used to be back home,
Hmm.
11-12 hours, and I also take a nap in like 30 minutes, 1
Arre
hour,
wah.
ghar pe. But then now it's just, even though I try so hard, I still can't get that half an hour nap in the
Yeah.
afternoon, 1 hour nap in the afternoon, because
Yeah.
I'll be like, अरे laundry कर लेती हूँ, अरे थोड़ा घर का काम कर लेती हूँ, अरे थोड़ा ये कर लेती हूँ, वो कर लेती हूँ. So I think it's just part of being adult. Now I remember when my mom used to say कि अरे बेटा नींद नहीं आती दोपहर में. Now I know क्यों नहीं आती.
इतने
So that's
विचार जो
okay.
चल रहे हैं दिमाग में, I guess.
What more things on resolutions? How to follow your resolution and not just give up in between? What do you think?
I think dividing it in micro tasks for every month will make sense than being like, oh, I just want to lose 15 kgs. Like,
हाँ,
no.
चलो
You
literally
need-
एक हफ्ते में जाके पूरा 1 घंटा वर्कआउट कर देंगे फिर छोड़ देंगे.
Yeah, or you want to be like, oh, I want to save like 3,000 pounds. You
Have
can't just one day save 3,000
Basically, to follow your resolution is to have realistic goals for
Yes.
yourself.
Yes.
And of course consistency, and don't get bored, don't give up in between. When you think it's time to give up when you think it's time to give up, that's the most crucial time. That's where you need to
Yeah.
keep going. And as soon as you cross that stage, you are done, bro.
Yeah.
I'm telling you.
Having like a quarterly check-in with yourself, and especially in June, sit down, see if that resolution is actually matching you and you are matching the resolution, what is needed from you. Because sometimes we set resolutions for ourselves that are not needed only, first of all.
Yeah.
And then in June, if you look at it, oh, I don't need to actually follow this resolution, I'm pretty good like that. Like for me, it would be, I try to make myself more productive all the time. And then last year in June, I sat down and I was like, wait, I'm already very productive. Why am I trying to make myself more productive? Then in mid June, I switched my resolution to calming down. Because I was like, I need rest more than working.
Now she's too calm.
Yeah.
Fair enough.
Yeah.
Nice.
You should be able to change your resolutions mid year.
Yeah, twist it, change it according to how you like it, according to how your body likes it, according to how your brain likes it. Yeah.
But there's another hack is that you don't call it a resolution, you call it ins and outs. So basically, you don't have to completely eradicate something from your life, but you have to try lesser of it in your life.
I think that's how it should be, with or without the resolution.
No, like say, if someone is like they don't want to consume alcohol, obviously it's very difficult to like eradicate. Nahi, main chance se nahi piyunga. Instead, if you're someone who drinks 5 glasses when you go on a party, just drink 2, and then dhire, like that'll be your
You'll
outs.
reduce. Yeah.
So
Yeah, I
वैसा
feel like one of the major things is when you see your own progress, you get more motivated and you try
Yeah.
to follow it. So I don't know. If, for example, you are taking a resolution of probably losing weight, okay? Get that denim which is not fitting you. Try to put that on. Take a picture, okay? Take picture every
Yeah.
week from that day, okay? Until, I don't know, 6 weeks. And then you can wear that denim and try to see the picture. Look at yourself and then you'll only understand. You'll see, oh, I was like this in week 1. Now I'm like this in week 7. Fucking fits me. Or like something like
Interesting.
that,
Yeah.
If you see your progress,
Yeah.
that helps you. Yeah, so I think that's a good way to be consistent with your resolution and not just give up.
Don't burden yourself with too many resolutions.
Yeah,
also.
literally don't.
Just take 1 or 2, and the other should be ins and outs, where you try to minimize things
Yeah.
or try to increase things, but not like full capacity, I would say. What do you say?
Bol.
No, I'll remember. That's why you go.
No, bol.
Do you have any ins and outs? Like this stays, this leaves me in 2026.
This stays and this leaves me. My body pain leaves me. That's my out.
Yeah, I think my
It's a hard question, I guess.
Think about it. By the end of this episode, you can say again. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
What is yours?
My ins
Ins
are
and
naps, I said.
Oh yeah, naps.
My ins or out, I don't know how to frame it, is also like caring a little less about what other people think of me. That would be an out, I guess. Like caring less. So that I choose what I really want. And ins would be eating a lot more fruits, because I'm very bad at eating fruits.
Yeah, man. Fruits are a bit annoying.
It's just
Make some fun way for us to eat fruits.
high effort, right? That is one of my ins. Then I think I've been enjoying makeup a lot lately. So like overall grooming and everything, that is definitely going to be ins. Like spending a lot more on my appearance and buying quality
look at you.
clothes.
Wait, who are you?
Yeah, that's gonna be my in for 2026. So like next December when we'll reshoot this, you will see a
watch
difference.
Okay, now I know my outs is like what you don't want now.
Yeah,
from
what
your-
you have already, but you don't want it anymore.
I don't want these pimples, okay? I want to improve on the skin and working on my body. I think that's all the goals I have. Like literally it's all about my body, my mental health, And I think that's pretty
Same.
much it. Like literally in career, there is nothing else for me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're too serious with our lives, guys.
Yeah, I guess so.
Yeah.
But don't be like us. I mean,
No, be like
Be
us.
like us.
But a little less, I guess.
also, more travel plans.
More
'Cause
travel.
2026 is the
I
year when you
think-
will not watch me sitting here and making podcasts because I'll be traveling.
We will make it somewhere else.
Yeah. Yeah, let's go to Albania. Let's go to some, I don't know,
Different
a place in
country and we will
Europe
do a
and just make a
podcast.
podcast there. Amsterdam में बैठ के podcast बना रहे हैं.
Wow, that'll be fun.
So much
Yeah,
fun.
I feel like 2026 is going to be the year of travel for me as well. Like, I think even if it's small trips, big trips, I just want to spend more on travel. I
Make 2026 as your travel year.
think. Yeah.
पैसा नहीं है ना, पता है मेरे को, हमारे पास भी नहीं है. छोटी छोटी 700 रुपए की ट्रेन की टिकट आती है, ठीक है. इंडिया से तुम जहाँ पे भी हो वहाँ से कुल्लू मनाली चले जाओ. That's also travel only.
You know, even exploring a different neighborhood in the city
It's also
is also
fun.
travel. Anything else?
Okay. If 2026 gave you just one option, which one would you choose? Traveling or taking care of your health?
Oh,
I know you
yeah.
love traveling. I know you love
I'll go
working.
travel and I'll go run over there.
No, it doesn't work like that. You can only travel or you can only...
No, this is not. I think I'll take travel. Chal.
You'll take travel. Okay.
Yeah, take travel.
Okay.
YOLO.
Travel or food?
They go hand in hand. There is no question.
No, trying out different foods. Or you will never be able to try out different new foods.
Oh, food. Food. Because
Fuck travel.
food is a way of travel. Like, you eat different cuisines, you feel like, oh, you're somewhere else. Like that. This is not done. Okay.
What do you mean?
For you. Okay.
ये
I think
बदला
yours
मेरी-
will be easier because you're pretty sorted with your priorities. But gymming or side hustle?
Ooh, gymming.
Paisa gaya.
I can... No, gymming, sorry.
Hmm.
I can't. It's like, it's part of me.
Yeah.
It's like, it's who I am.
Yeah.
I can't not...
That's food for me. So food is me. So yeah, I get
can't
it.
not do that.
Reading or gymming?
Gymming. It's quite simple for me. My answer is always going to be gymming.
Gymming
Because I'm a
only.
gym girl, like
Yeah. Mental health or physical health?
physical health. Let my mental health get first. It's fine.
This में क्या नया है?
At least physical health तो अच्छा रहेगा.
If you guys have any more resolutions to share with us, or what
Yeah,
are your
then let
plans
us
for
know.
2026?
So we can
share
steal
it.
some.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and no jinxing here. It's
Yeah,
all
please.
a positive community.
Oh, sorry.
It's the wrong side.
Sorry, I forgot.
But yeah, let's manifest for each other and have a great 2026. We hope you keep watching more of our episodes and we keep making more of our episodes. So take care. Bye. Oh, don't forget to subscribe.
And Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Happy New Year, bro.